The overall goal of this experiment is to synthesize a tree-like nanostructure with zinc oxide stems and cadmium sulfoselenide branches, and characterize its morphology, crystal structure, and optical properties.
This method can help answer key questions in the application of nanocomposite materials in optical and electro-optical applications. The main advantage of this technique is that chemical vapor disposition is a simple and cost-effective way to produce tree-like nanostructures with well-defined interfaces. The cadmium sulfide selenide branches absorb visible light and form a type II heterojunction with a zinc oxide stem. The heterojunction facilitates efficient electron transfer from the branches to the stem. The optical properties indicate that the nanotrees are promising materials for applications that benefit from a Z-scheme charge transfer mechanism like solar cells and other opto-electronic devices.
Though this method can provide insight into zinc oxide cadmium sulfoselenide nanotrees, it can also be applied to other systems, such as nanowires, nanotubes, nanobelts, and so on.
Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle because each parameter, such as amount of precursor, temperature, and flow rate, will affect the morphology of the nanotrees.
First, clean a sapphire slide by sonication in 99.5% ethanol for 5 minutes. Then, using a sputter coater, deposit a 10 nanometer thick gold film onto the slide. Next, stir 1 gram of a 1:1 mixture by mass of zinc oxide nanopowder and activated carbon into 10 milliliters of 99.5% ethanol. Sonicate the mixture in a water bath at 20 degrees Celsius.